In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a text box using Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating stunning graphics, whether it's for your social media posts, presentations, or personal projects. One of the essential skills you need to master in Canva is resizing a text box. This is particularly useful when you want to make sure your text fits perfectly within your design layout, ensuring everything looks polished and professional. Let's get started with this simple process. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your project open. Once you're in your project, locate the text box you want to resize. You can either add a new text box or use an existing one. Today I'll guide you through resizing an existing text box, which is a common task you'll encounter. First, click on the text box that you want to resize. Clicking on the text box will highlight it, and you'll notice a border with several small circles, also called handles, around it. These handles are your tools for resizing the box. Now here's what you need to do next. Instead of clicking directly inside the text to edit it, you'll want to focus on those handles. Move your cursor to any of the border handles of the text box. You'll notice your cursor will change to a double-headed arrow, indicating that you can now click and drag to resize. To resize, simply click one of the corner or side handles and drag it to adjust the size of the text box. Dragging from a corner handle will allow you to change the text box size both vertically and horizontally at the same time, while dragging from a side handle will adjust just one dimension. As you resize, you can see how the text adjusts within the box. Text will wrap to fit the new dimensions you set. This is a great feature that helps you align your text with other elements on your page to maintain balance and readability. If you're altering the text box size and notice the text isn't fitting as you'd like, you can always adjust the font size or line spacing to make it work better within its new confines. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. Canva is very forgiving, and you can undo your last move if something doesn't look quite right. Once you're satisfied with the new size and placement of your text, take a moment to double check your overall design to ensure everything flows harmoniously. And there you have it. Resizing a text box in Canva is that easy, yet it's a skill that can make a huge difference in the visual appeal of your designs. With practice, you'll get more comfortable with adjusting text boxes and other elements, which will greatly enhance your design capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Canva effectively.